So here I'm continuing to touch up this floor, and here's a spot I did yesterday. And you can see, like, to the left of that dog dish, it's still got that delamination beyond there. I'm going to do this spot right there. So this little spot right here, what I do is I use, that's it's called Xylene. It's a solvent used to thin paint, thinners, paints, and other solvents, any other type of products, paint and stuff like that. And I use that scratch pad, a little scrub pad there. First I'll try to get what I can up with a single edge razor blade. And then I'll put that stuff down with a scratch pad, scrape it all up, and then when it dries, then I'll put down one more coat of sealer. So let me just see how this looks here when I go in there and do that. Okay, so yeah, just with that coat of the Xylene, it looks a lot better. So I'll use this to scrape that up there and this one little spot here. So now I got that, this one little area of the floor, it's about a square yard, touched up, applied some new sealer, and it looks pretty good. So hopefully this floor will stop delaminating. It's only doing it in the kitchen, dining room, and living room, but it's not doing it in the other bedrooms of the hallway, which is kind of odd.